Welcome everybody to Bot 10 Art. My name is Lazaro Gomez, and this is the first piece. Sorry about that. This is the first piece of my new series called Celestial. Basically, the idea is to create one image for each zodiac sign. So altogether, there'll be 12 videos just like this one. One has a voiceover, like the one you're hearing now, and another one is just a sped up painting with music behind it. But the idea came from one day I was playing Metroid, and I thought it was really cool how Samus has this super like hyped up mech suit, and she goes around the universe and fighting different monsters and doing different things. But that got me thinking about somehow about zodiac signs, and I thought it would be kind of neat if the zodiac signs really represented different women. So I guess in some ways Samus would be, I don't know, maybe Aries or Mars or something like that. But I combined the two things. So basically, a beautiful woman, a mech suit, and the zodiac signs. So what you're watching right now is the first one, and it is Aquarius. And basically, it's the first time that I use watercolors in this fashion. If you notice, I'm painting everything in a monochromatic form, just using the color blue to do all the hair and all the background colors and everything like that. So I want to continue the series that way. So Aries would be red and just using different colors, but keeping a monetary or monotoned. And basically, the only color that outside of the monochromatic would be the color of the ink. And for the inking, I'll be using my microns. So I just thought it was a neat idea, and I wanted to put it into practice. So I sketched out a bunch of different, I guess, portraits, and then I went on Pinterest and I started looking at different models and different poses in photography, and I found this one and a few others that I'll be incorporating into the series. But I gotta tell you, it was a bit of a challenge just using a single color. But at the end, I really loved the result, and I thought I was really impressed by the fact that I can that I can pull something like this off. But yeah, there it is. There is Aquarius. I'm now taking the tape off that I put on the watercolor paper to kind of give me a solid edge, and I'm gonna start inking. Right here, I'm using a 001 micron, and basically, I always do the outline or the line work the same way. I start off small and then I start building up values with a thicker marker, and that kind of provides the line weight for each image. But as you can see, I'm just moving along, just going over all the shapes and just kind of outlining everything. And again, I can't say enough about this. It's kind of a step outside of my normal artwork, but it's an idea that I wanted to accomplish, and so far so good. I mean, I'm really excited with the result. I had a lot of fun with the hair because I normally do a lot of like crazy hairstyles and stuff like that when it comes to my characters, and the characters are very cartoony. But this one's a bit more tranquil, more calmed down, and more controlled. So it was a little bit of a learning curve, but at the end we got it all done. And just to let you all know, the original pieces will be available along with prints on my website, and I'll have links to that in the description, and I'll have links to all the tools that I used, and just kind of a little background of what the series is. And right here, I'm going over with an O3 micron. I know I kind of jumped around a little bit, but but I just wanted to put out that information, and I would really love if this series got a lot of support. So I'm hoping that you guys like it, like the videos, and of course, share it with everybody. But like I said, if you're interested in buying the original, it'll be available on my website. Also, I'll have prints of each one, and then hopefully at the end, I don't know, I'm still thinking about it, but I might put a book together. But we'll see how that goes. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe, ding the bell, and leave me a like or a comment. Let me know what you think about these videos. And with that, we'll see you next month with Pisces.